Hey guys, George from SME here, and today I wanted to cover Qlik's reporting add-on NPrinting. Now, NPrinting allows you to leverage Qlik Sense and Qlik View objects and data in robust reports that you can build in Excel, PowerPoint, pixel-perfect PDFs, and so much more. Now, when you create a report, you assign a publish task to it, and from there what you can do is you can say, I want to send this report out normally, maybe you want to cycle on a particular dimension so you have multiple reports, or you can even filter the report based off of a user and group to have row-level security. But did you know that you can also send these reports out in multiple different ways? So let's talk about those. I think the one that probably everyone's familiar with is sending out an email report. So in NPrinting, you can assign a list of users, whether that be to just one particular user or group, or you can even assign it to a distribution list. And then you can just give it an email message and attach the report, or if it's an HTML report, you can embed it directly within the email. But there's three other ways that you can send out reports from NPrinting. Now, one of them is the Newsstand, which comes with NPrinting, and essentially is kind of exactly what it sounds like. It's a newsstand where you can come in and you can look at the reports and you can look at a history of them, and you can also subscribe to specific reports or change your subscription so that you receive it on a frequent basis. But you can access all of your reports right here from the Newsstand and not have to worry about diving through emails. Now, the other two places that you can do them is that you can send them directly to your hub. So in Qlik Sense, you go to the reporting section under your personal, and you can see here that you're able to go in, and what it's going to do is it's going to build out the report for you right here in the next tab if you're using a Chrome browser, which is really useful because you can look at your data within Qlik Sense, and then you can look at it right here in this other tab without having to bother going to NPrinting. Now, the last location is that you can send your reports to a specific folder, which is pretty handy in certain situations, but I think that the number one that I really like about this is that you can send it to a folder on either the NPrinting server, the Qlik server, or any really mapped network drive, and if you wanted to, you could actually point the Qlik Sense apps back at Excel reports that you generate from NPrinting, so you can have a little bit of back and forth between them and really build out some cool stuff. So that's it, guys. If you guys want to learn more about NPrinting or Qlik, feel free to reach out to us in the comments below or at info@smesgroup.com. Bye, guys.